Welcome to the Life in Transitions Experts YouTube channel and Facebook group. I'm your host, Courtney Rollins, back hopefully with some content that can support you and help you through some of your biggest transitions in life. And one of those is that we all, at some point, are going to pass away. We all are going to experience people who have passed away. It is a part of life. And so, how do we prepare for that? And we're going to go over a few tips to help you protect your family and help them avoid some of the financial burden that comes with loss. All right. So let's take a look. Let's jump right in. Okay. Let's see. All right. Number one, you need to assess your needs. You need to think about your loved ones and the people that you're trying to protect. What will they need when you pass? Are you the main primary income provider? Will they need that? Will they need support actually fulfilling your wishes of how you would like to be buried? Are you going to be buried? Is it going to be cremation? Are there medical needs of people after you that you need to support? You need to think about that as you think about what type of policy you want. Make sure you shop around. That's number two. There are tons of carriers out there that can have the right product for you. Not every carrier is the same. So this ties into one of our other tips, but make sure one of the best ways to do that is connect with an insurance agent that you trust, that you know, that you like, and is knowledgeable and can find those carriers for you. Now, please note some agents may be stuck to one type of carrier, and that carrier may be awesome and perfect for you. If that's the case, great. But there are other agents that are independent brokers who have access to many other carriers that can fit the needs that you may have. So I'd highly encourage you to shop around. Number three, understand the policy types. Life insurance, there are really three different type of life insurance, but there's so many variations based on some of the features inside them. Make sure you understand if you have a policy that's going to terminate. Does it collect in cash value? Is it permanent, or is it based on the stock market? So as far as how much the cash value is in there, and if the cost of insurance is going to start eating into the premiums you've added in there if you have something like a universal policy. But again, working with a professional will help you understand these terms and find out what you have. Number four, you need to think about maybe there's, especially if health is an issue, perhaps you're looking for policies that offer guaranteed issues. That means there's no exam required, no any conditions that you have. They're going to make sure that you get the policy issued. Now, again, those prices may be a little more steep because of the risk they're taking on, but there are products out there for you. Consider your age, okay? That's why the best time to do it is right now because you're not getting any younger, and age does play a factor when it comes to getting qualified and getting and receiving coverage and getting coverage that hopefully is sustainable as far as being affordable. All right. So consider your age. Number six, evaluate the coverage options. What are the different riders, the different exclusions that are involved in there? Again, working with a trusted professional can support you in this, but evaluate the coverage options. All right. Number seven, and look for discounts. Even within that carrier that you have, there may be things because of your life situation, or just what the product is that you're looking at, that you may be eligible for discounts. So make sure you ask. Closed mouths don't get fed. Hopefully, your agent or person you're working with is helping you do that anyways. And number eight, you need to review the policy terms very carefully. Look over it. Make sure you understand what you're getting involved in. It's a big decision. It's an awesome decision, but it's also something you should take seriously. All right. So with sober judgment. All right. And of course, consult with the licensed agent or financial advisor. So make sure that you have the right type of coverage that fits you. All right. And number 10, of course, reassess regularly. As life changes, so do your goals and options sometimes. So you want to make sure you have the right policy in place that still fits your life needs based on where you are. Love to talk to you, love to work with you. This is one of the things that I feel like it's a ministry that I've become devoted to, helping people maintain their legacy, protect their families, have the freedom and peace of mind to live, knowing what they love is protected. So feel free to reach out to me. Of course, I would love for you to hit like and subscribe. Would love you to hit the subscribe actually too, because we're about 5 away from hitting the 1,000 person subscription mark. So that would be awesome if you could be a part of that. This is the Life in Transitions Experts YouTube channel, Facebook group. Feel free to reach out to me and send any messages or comments or content you want us to cover. We do that all the time. But at any rate, LITE, let your light shine. Cheers.